Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my own secret recipe for killing ants, cockroaches, and other little bugs. This recipe is a all-in-one for sweet ants and protein-eating ants, and it can also be used for cockroaches. So that's what I'm going to show you guys how to make. And I'll show you how to lay it out. And I've been using this recipe for years and years. And then I come to the Philippines and, we got this brand new house and I started getting ants, those little tiny ants. And I did see a couple cockroaches, they come in from outside. We do live in a brand new house in the middle of a field. So it's just part of life out here. So, all right, let's get into it. All right, so let's go over what you will need for this. I do have my little brother-in-law helping me out. He wanted to help me in this video. He's pretty excited about this. So this is what you need. What's this called?
Boric acid.
Boric acid. Need to get yourself some boric acid, and you can get this on Shopee for like 200, less than 300 pesos, and I got the 1 kilogram. So I got plenty. You need yourself a cheap peanut butter. You could use expensive peanut butter if you want, but I picked this up at O-Save. It was like 56 pesos. And then you're gonna need yourself some honey. Look at that. My wife ate all the honey. So we got a little bit of honey, and then we're gonna use some pancake syrup. What you want is the sugar. You're gonna have the protein from the peanut butter, the poison, boric acid, and then you need something sweet and to help mix, and that's where this pancake syrup is gonna come in. Believe it or not, this is nothing but sugar. You're gonna need some straws, and I'll show you what those straws are for in a little bit. And then you're gonna need yourself a large syringe. This here is a 50 milliliter. I picked this up in town. And then if you want, you could have some rubber gloves. And then you're gonna need a tablespoon and then a teaspoon. I don't have a teaspoon, so I'm gonna be using this half teaspoon. So, all right, let's get into the mixture and I'll show you what you need to do. All right, so the first step would be, let's start with our peanut butter. We got a nice little tray here we're gonna use. So we want 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So put 1 tablespoon of that in there. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. I don't think we got enough honey. Almost, so close. So we'll just put the rest. Add some syrup. Okay, we're gonna mix that in. And then we need 1 teaspoon of boric acid. Be careful when you guys are messing with this, even though it's a pretty safe acid. You still want to be careful. You know what that looks like? That looks like a kilo of something else. So we need 1 teaspoon. This is a half. You don't want to go too much. So we'll do 1. And this is the other half, because this is a half teaspoon. 2. All right, and then we're going to mix this up. Let me mix this up and then I'll be right back. This is the consistency you're looking for here. So we got that mixed up nice and good. Next step is our syringe. So this is our syringe here. I'll take that, And we're gonna go ahead, put our solution in there. This is our bait for our traps. Just fill that up. Get all that nice. Make sure you guys don't eat this and don't leave it lay around for your dogs. Okay, got that in there. See that? Next, we're gonna take our syringe, push out the air. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. So we got a nice solution there. Next, we're gonna take our straws. Take 2 straws. And we're gonna cut these. These are gonna be our traps. So we're just gonna cut those. Cut like that. Okay. Next, you're gonna take your peanut butter and you're gonna put it in there. Put the syringe right in the straw and you're gonna squeeze that. There you go. You got a little bit coming out the end. Swipe that off. So now you got a place for the ants to go. And when you put this somewhere, it won't make a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest of these up and I'll be right back. All right guys, we got all of our little traps set up. You can see they look like little firecrackers. You don't need to fill them all the way, just about 3/4, so you have a little bit of room on each side there so the ants or the cockroach or the bugs can climb in there. Next, I'm gonna show you how to lay these out. So up in your cupboards, the reason why you put these in straws is so they don't make a mess. So you're just gonna lay this up in the cupboard right there. So we got one there. We'll come over here where we keep all the snacks. We'll just lay one right here on the side, out of the way. Make sure I tell my wife that's where they're at. And then we'll put one more over here. There's a nice open space right there. All right, so we got the kitchen done. Next, I'm gonna show you the ant problem I have in my bathroom. Let's go, stay tuned. So back here in this corner, you can see that the ants have formed a little hole through the concrete. And you can see where I sprayed some killer. And I even tried some baby powder and that kind of slowed them down. But what we need is one of these traps. Sweet or protein, they will eat it. So we're just gonna set that there. I'm gonna set another one there. So in the bedroom, just for a precaution, I'm gonna go ahead and put one on the window seal so it's out of the way. And then we'll do the rest of the house. We'll do all the windows. All right, stay tuned. Then we're just gonna go ahead and put a couple here. So I'll put one behind this trash can. And then I'll put one in the sink here. All right. Here in my coffee bar, you know, I got proteins and different drinks here. So I went ahead and put one there. And then over here where I got coffee and I do have sugars, so I went ahead and put one right there. So that'll take care of that section. All right guys, so there you go. You have my secret recipe for the multi-purpose use for protein ants, sweet ants, cockroaches, and any other little bugs. You can see here I still have tons left. So what I'm gonna do is just toss this in the freezer, and then when I need it later on, I'll just pull it out, get some more straws, put it around the house. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.